Hello everyone! Today we have the BTOB 2021 Seasons Greeting Package and we ordered it from cube.co.kr and I am so ready to open this. Let's do this. And we have our faithful Ryan here today to help us with this unboxing. My hands are moving super quickly right now because I'm super excited to open this. Come on. Okay. Here we go! Ta-da! It is huge, you guys. Let's take this out, remove the box, and let's take a look at this. All right. Carefully open this. Ta-da! You can already see Punya right here. Lots of air bubbles. Okay, here is the 2021 Seasons Greetings package. And here we have Punya. Yay! That's one photo card right there. And okay, let's open this. Gotta be super careful. Oops. This is actually really heavy, so I'm kind of struggling to hold this with one hand while I get the packaging off. Alright, here we go. Yay! And this is what the back looks like. So you actually open it this way. Ta-da! You slip it open. Wow, it's like a Christmas box full of BTOB stuff. Okay, so we have more photo cards here. Oh. Ta-da! We have our leader, Minhyuk, Changsop, and Punya. Oh, we have two now. Okay, yay! So they gave us all 4 members in the photo card form. I'm gonna slip that back in. Save that for later. And here is this is for the Cube badge. It's a QR code for that. And we have postcards or photo cards with messages on the back. So we have one from each of the 4 members. Oh, here's Eunkwang, Minhyuk, Changsop, and Punya. And on the back, they each wrote a letter to the fans. And here the leader addresses Hyunsuk, Sungjae, Irun. And here is Minhyuk's. And Changsop's. Yeji Apsa. And Punya's. And we're going to put this aside again. Okay, I'm just going to leave that there. Yay, we have stickers! Stickers! Okay. So these peel off like this. They're square stickers. There's 9 of them. Oh, there's one more. Ta-da! Oh, look, that is so cute. So these are the 2 types of stickers included in this package. And I think this is a stand. This is really cute. Oh, guys, this is so cute. I'm actually just gonna leave this in here, but This is the back. This is the front. And we have a calendar. Yay! I think this package really is worth the money. I forgot how much it was, but yeah. So they get 3 months each. Here's January, February, and March with Eunkwang. April, May, June with Minhyuk. July, August, September with Changsop. And October, November, December with Punier. And he has nails that are better than mine, you know. Oh, they're so pretty. So we have the 4 members. They get 3 months each for the 2021 calendar. Set that aside. And we have a diary. We will open this as well. There's so much in here. This is so wonderful. Okay. So this is the diary. The first page. And then we have 2021 and 2022 in month form. And then we have the individual month. The months come first. Oh, and they have their birthdays. Oh, guys, that is so cute. Let's check out the other birthdays. Ta-da! And that's it for the months. And there's a to-do list. And then the lined notes. The blank notes. And that's it. And the personal information that you can fill out on the back. And I will be using this with the BTOB stickers and photo cards. Yay! And next we have the photo book. Okay. Actually, let's look at the calendar first because the photo book is really thick. So this is the desk calendar. I need to make a lot of space on my desk for all this wonderful new stuff. And I don't know how this works, but we have like a memo thing, a memo pad at the bottom, and I think you just kind of like, I don't know, you just kind of make it stand. Anyway, let's check out the calendar. Sorry, I'm struggling a little bit. This is the cover. And Eunkwang is on January. So after the months, there are individual photos and a group photo. And that was the front part of the calendar. Now we're gonna look at the back in reverse direction. So here is the yearly version of the calendar. Here's Punier. Changsop. So we're going backwards. So this is December, November, Oh, he's so cute. And we're back to the front. So this is the desk calendar that is included in this package. And like the others, we're gonna set that apart. Or set that aside, sorry. And the photo book. So everything is wrapped individually. Sorry guys, I'm not talking, but I'm smiling really big right now because these are really cute. They're so cute, guys. They're like guarding their own cereal boxes. That's so cute. And the last page. Yeah, so there is a lot included in this package. We have the photo book. We have the desk calendar. We have the diary. And 4 pages of 2021. This, I think this is a stand. Yeah. Sorry about the confusion. And we have the stickers. We have the postcards. The photo cards. And the extra, I think it's the bonus photo card. So yeah, that is the complete 2021 Season's Greetings package. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I didn't talk much. I was just like really appreciating these photos and everything that's inside. And yeah, I hope you guys have a really good day to end this year. And yeah, I wish you guys all a happy new year, and we will be back with more unboxing videos and pronunciation videos for you guys. So yeah, bye guys, thank you for watching.